everyone, welcome back to the Taglog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Taglog, I will be showing you how to change ChatGPT password. So to do that, what you need to do is first of all open a Google browser in your PC and then click open new tab. There on the search bar you type in chat.openai.com and press enter. Now first thing is you need to get logged in. So click on login, type in your email address over here, click on continue. Type in the password, and with that you will be logged in into the account of yours. Now here on this page you can see there is no option or the setting for you to change the password in ChatGPT. There is a way, but for that you need to log out first. Click on log out on the left side of your Windows screen, click that. This will get you logged out from your account right away. Now again you need to click on login. Provide the email address over here once again. Click on continue. Here on this page, what you need to do here is you need to click on forgot password. Click that. This will redirect you to the another page where you will be starting a reset your password process. So first thing is type in the email address, then click on continue. Check your email. Please check the email address. For the instruction to reset your password, you need to open your Gmail on your web browser. Open AI Mail, click open that. All you have to do is click on reset password, and then you will be able to provide a new password for the ChatGPT account. Type in a new password over here. Re-enter the same password as above. Then click on reset password. With that, the password change will be successful. This is a way how you can change the ChatGPT password. Now you can log in into the account with the new updated password of yours. Hope this video was useful on how to change ChatGPT password. Please like and subscribe the Taglog YouTube channel. Thank you.